1 minute, Chair. Chair, may I, thanks Edie. Chair, I want to just dedicate 30 seconds to Commissioner Roberts, the members of his staff, a heartfelt condolence to the loss of another member. It is not easy and cannot be easy for leadership. At SAVOC, we reiterated the fact that this department is doing everything possible to ensure that the mental health assistance of every officer is being taken care of. So, Commissioner, to you and the General Staff, we share this loss with you and will continue supporting in every effort to keep our men in uniform and women in uniform okay. We will not always get it right, but I know you are doing your damnedest. So I thought that should be put into record, Commissioner. Secondly, on the other 35 seconds, unfortunately, the other day I got into a thunderstorm, but I will then finish that presentation of just mentioning two things, if I may. The unity and the unification of safety and security in this city must be a task and a goal that we achieve. Without failure, Edie, this entity must unite so that you can reach that goal. It is not an easy task to unify, but we are going to achieve such goals. We have great leadership, I'll tell you that, and we will strive for that. And in conclusion, Chair, I have requested with Councillor Bresler at SAVOC that currently the storm of social media, specifically targeting this department, can no longer be left as trivial and social media comment. I will say why. When you attack an individual, they say in politics that is at times acceptable. But what is not acceptable, Edie, Commissioner, is that intelligence stats, information, deployment figures are mentioned in public as it is today. The people that are doing this, funny enough, come from uniform. And further disgusts me, maybe just as an individual, that they do not understand in conclusion, Chair, that lives could be put at risk, that members on the ground could be suffering when they are giving such information. And I have asked that dramatic measures, Edie, must be taken, and I was given a guarantee by Commissioner Roberts that there are processes taking place not to silence people and not to impede on freedom of speech, but to ensure that the safety and the security of our members is protected at every and any cost. And I'm sure no member here, Chairperson, will disagree in that matter. And therefore I move that we put that on record, that this must come also to an end as much as what we can. Thank you, Chair.